Hey GED students, it's GED question of the day time, and this is like the 8th video in a series of videos that I've been doing about place value. So you're going to feel a little lost possibly if you haven't seen the other 7, so you might want to back up and check them out. But let's go on assuming that you have and try this problem here. So I'll just remind you that place value is based on powers of 10. So like let me draw or write a number, a nice big long number. Okay, so what do I have the number? 123,456 and, oh my land, 63,824 hundred thousandths. Oh, that's a big number. But all I wanted to remind you of was that our places match up to our powers of 10. So for example, we know that this 6, starting from the decimal and working out, we have our whole number of places. This is the ones place, right? The 6 is in the ones place. And we can express the number 1 as a power of 10. 10 to the 0th power is the ones place. Same thing then with the next one. The next one's in the tens place, or 10 to the 1st power. Next one's in the hundreds place. Well, 100 is 10 to the 2nd power. So that's 4 10 to the 2nd powers, and so on and so forth. 10 to the 3rd power, 10 to the 4th power is the 10 thousandths, 10 to the 5th power is the 100 thousandths, and it works the same way going the opposite way. After 10 to the 0, you're going to have 10 to the negative 1st. That's the tenths place. Then we have the hundredths place, or 10 to the negative 2nd. Then we have the thousandths place, or 10 to the negative 3rd. And then we have the 10 thousandths place, or 10 to the negative 4th. And the 100 thousandths place is 10 to the negative 5th, and so on and so forth. Okay, so our place value system is based on powers of 10. Okay, now that we understand that, let's go ahead and work this problem out. So the first one I have is the ones place. Now we already said that 10 to the 0th power, anything to the 0 power is 1, and so the ones match up with 10 to the 0th power. So A matches with 3. Easy. Okay, now 10 thousandths. I just told you up here when it was a TH, we're in pieces and parts, we're in the decimal place. So the 10 thousandths, let's check, this would be the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10 thousandths. So 10 thousandths would be 10 to the negative 4 power. But you might be saying, Kate, there are no 10 to the negative 4 powers. Remember what negative powers do. They don't make negative numbers, they make fractions. Right here, this is 10 to the negative 4th power. A negative number flips its base. It gives us the reciprocal of the base, and that's how you get rid of that negative number. So that's like 1 over 10 to the 4th power, or 1 10 thousandths. Okay, so B matches with 4. So hundreds, no TH here. I'm in whole numbers. I'm looking at 10 to the 2nd power. So C matches with 1. Same thing with millions, no TH. I'm in the whole number powers. I'm in whole numbers, not fractions. So millions has 6 zeros, so that's 10 to the 6th power. That's number 6. Now, tenths, see the TH? I'm in fractional pieces and parts. 1/10, like 1 over 10. And so that's just 10 to the 1st power. So that's V right there, or 5. Then F is hundredths. Hundredths are like one thing of size 100, or 1 over 10 to the 2nd power. And so F matches with 1. Okay, so A is 3, B is 4, C. Oh, how do I have C and F as the same one? Oh, I screwed up. You guys see how I screwed up? I'm super sorry. Let's look at F one more time. That's the one I screwed up. I said it was hundredths, and yet I have this whole number. 2. I should have had 1 over 10 to the 2nd power. So same 10 to the 2nd power, but it's hundredths, it's pieces and parts. So that should have been number 2. Apologize, tried to confuse everybody. So C is 1, D is 6, E is 5, and F is 2. Pretty tricky concept here, but super crucial in understanding place value. All right, if you have any questions about this or any other GED math concept, be sure to drop it in the comments and I'll do my best to answer it.